Everyone, welcome back. If you can't reply to comment on Instagram and you go to your comment section and trying to reply and nothing happens or your comment disappear, this video is for you. This bug started after the latest release, so I will show you how to fix this in 4 steps. Let's get started. And make sure to subscribe for my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. First thing first, go to your Play Store and go to search bar and search Instagram, and make sure to update the Instagram if it's available. Step 2, use the notification page to reply. If you can't reply from comment threads, go to your notification bar and click the reply icon and comment for that. And this method keep you inside the notification page and reply successfully for your comments. Step 3, use Instagram on web browser. For that, minimize your Instagram and go to your browser and search for instagram.com. Once it's loaded, provide your login details and log into account, and you can reply for your comments there. Step 5, check restriction and temporary limit. If none of above works, your account might be temporarily rate limited for comments. To check that, go to your Instagram and go to your profile and go to the menu icon, and if you scroll down to the bottom and click account status and click remove content and message issues. If you can see couldn't post message there, wait 24 hours to 48 hours. Usually it reset automatically. That's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and please make sure to mention in the comment which step worked for you.